Turn it down a little bit more. Right now, we are in the car heading to the fire station because Christopher Jose Cruz has handcuffed one wrist. He put the handcuffs on in such a way that the keyhole is closed. It's on the inside. Look at the face. Give us your look of shame. Look at that. Look at that, dude. He's tried to put lotion on it. Didn't work.
It's not ashy though.
It's not. It's not ashy.
I can't see shit.
Only Chris Cruz would do this.
Make moves.
I've had these handcuffs for over 2 years.
You've had it for 2 years?
And I've never thought of doing this.
I didn't think of doing it.
What were you thinking?
It's late, man.
It's late? That's no excuse.
It's late. It's late, B. Whoa.
Now what are you looking for?
Key.
Don't lose that key.
I don't want to. There's nothing to be said.
We are headed to the fire station.
What, is the fire station gonna be open?
I guess I'll be back when we get there. Fire station's open all day.
At night?
Yes. What if there's a fire in the middle of the night? Are they just not gonna get it?
I mean, are they sleeping? Fire station's open all day and night. What are they sleeping?
Wake them up!
They're sleeping. Fire! Fire! They're gonna be pissed. I'd be pissed. Sit in the car. Getaway car.
I gotta get away from nothing. Chris is the one who's gonna have to prison break it. He's gonna have to Schofield it.
I wanna see this.
I hope they're up. So I can see the looks on their faces.
Are they up?
I don't know.
So we have to wake them up.